Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing how to choose a software development company for outsourcing. Today, software development is rushing towards outsourcing. And as of now, there are 27,000 plus agencies on Clutch, which is the biggest platform for this purpose. And this number is only growing. So it can be a real challenge to select one particular software development company for outsourcing, especially when you're putting in a lot of money, time and efforts into your project. So it becomes a responsibility of yours to select absolutely the right one. It is also a difficult choice because you have a wide range of options to choose from. This has been divided into 3 stages. Stage 1 of which is the basic research. So the first thing that you need to do is dig out for their previous projects, and that's how you will come to know about their knowledge for specific technologies. Also, you can check on platforms like Clutch, Good Firms, IT Firms or Upwork to get client reviews of verified customers. So, the involvement of the company in both global and local IT community says a lot about them. Moreover, an updated blog or publication on social media says that the firm has a lot to share with a broader audience. So the stage number 2 is tech research. You've got to pay attention to what are the technologies that the company is using or working with, and you need to make sure and consult with them that whether these can be tailored according to the requirements of your project. Also, on GitHub, you can see whether the teams are delivering reusable, laconic and easily readable code or not. Also, how often it is updated, who contributed, so on. This is stage 3, which is the meeting. So if you have given a full description of your project to the company, hear what they have to say about it. Ask them about their business logic. And also, don't forget to talk about probable risks, ways to omit them, and also hear what the solutions and additional services they are willing to provide you. Also, do not forget to consider only those IT companies which are compliant with ISO standards, because there is never too much of security. Obviously, there is much more to it, and to explore more such informative content, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.